Hello children, welcome to the online class. This is first standard English. All of you open your English textbook, page number 33. Page number 33. Okay children, already you have studied 3 lessons. The fourth lesson name is The Rainbow Kite. The rainbow kite. Do you like to play outside? Yes. Everyone like to play outside because the atmosphere is very nice. Okay? Why would like to play outside? Because everyone likes to play outdoor games. Outdoor games. Together we two play. Okay? So many children together to play. So we would like to play outside games. Okay? Here, how many games? It means types of games. 2 types of games. 2 types of games. Those are inside games. It means indoor games. Then outdoor games. It means outside games. Okay? See here children. We can play outside. Those are outside games. It means outdoor games. Plays which we play inside. Games which we play inside. These are indoor or inside games. Games which we play outside. Those are called outside or outdoor games. Okay children? You know that all. Already you have studied. Circle your favorite outdoor activity from the pictures given below. Okay? Circle your favorite outdoor activity. Which game do you like to play outside? Someone likes to play skipping. Someone likes to play hockey. Someone likes to play shuttlecock. Someone likes to play swing. Someone likes to play hide and seek. Someone likes to play football, cricket, volleyball, throw ball. Okay? So many outdoor games you have played already. But in this picture they have asked, circle your favorite outdoor activity. Which outdoor activity do you like most? You have to circle. That is for only you. Okay? That game you have to play outside. Like to play outside. Which your outdoor game do you like to play? Your favorite outdoor game. What is that? You have to circle. Okay? Next, come to the lesson. I will read for you this one. Observe and listen carefully. Ruhan is a fun-loving boy. Ruhan is a fun-loving boy. He loves to go out and play every day. He loves to go out and play every day. He plays hide and seek. He plays hide and seek. See here, this is the hide and seek. It means kanna muchale in Kannada. Catch the ball and cricket with his friends. Playing in the park is fun. Ruhan, in your childhood life, when you are in the child age, on that time you have to play. You have loved to play these type of games. Okay? See here, Ruhan is a fun-loving boy. He loves to go out and play every day. He will also like to play and go out and like to play every day. After school living, you should also like to go out and play every day. He plays hide and seek. He plays hide and seek, catch the ball and cricket with his friends. Playing in the park is fun. Yes, park is also looking very nice and so many games we should play in the park also. He gets to meet all his friends. He gets to meet all his friends outside only, or in the garden only, or in the park only. Yes, children, Ruhan also loves to fly kites. He has a rainbow. He has a rainbow kite. See here. Ruhan has a rainbow kite. It is made of colorful paper. It is made of colorful papers. The kite has a long tail. See this picture. The kite has a long tail. It is made up of colorful papers. Yes or no? Colorful papers he has taken to made it. And Ruhan also loves to fly kites also. The kite has a long tail. It looks like an aeroplane. It is looking like an aeroplane. The tail sways when the kite flies. Ruhan loves his kite very much. See here, the tail. The tail is moved slowly from side to side. This like it will making some dance like. It will make dance. Okay? When it goes up higher than higher up. On that time, it will move slowly from side to side. Okay? Turn the page. See here, children. Ruhan goes to the park with his father to fly the kite. He took his cricket with his father and goes to park. Okay? It is a windy day. On day what? Windy day. On that day was very windy. The kite sways with the wind. See here. Side to side. This like it will goes. The kite gets stuck on a tree top. See here. The kite was stuck on a tree top. Ruhan tugs. Ruhan tugs. It means pull hard. ಎಳೆಯುವುದು. ಅದನ್ನು ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಎಳಿತಾನೆ. Okay? The string to free the kite. The string to free the kite, but the kite does not move. Ruhan is sad because he become very sad. Why? The kite gets stuck on a tree top. Ruhan pulled hard, but the kite does not move. So Ruhan is sad. Okay, children? Next, father sees that Ruhan is sad. His father see this one situation. Why was the Ruhan was sad? His father was, seems this one, father thinks he can reach the kite using a ladder. Michanike. Okay? Ladder means michanike athwa eni in Kannada. See here. Father thinks. His father thinks he can reach the kite using a ladder. He fetches a ladder and climbs up. See this one. He reaches for the kite. Suddenly the string breaks and the kite flies away. See this one. When he brought a ladder, then he reached. He climbed the tree and he fetches a ladder and climbs up. He reaches for the kite. Suddenly the string breaks and the kite flies away. Okay? When he reached the kite using the ladder, the kite flies away because the string breaks. Okay? Next, Ruhan and his father watch the kite fly away. See here. The kite flies over the trees. The kite flies over the trees. See here. This much of distance. It will goes upside. The kite flies over the trees, over the streets also, and over the houses also. Okay? Ruhan waves to the kite until he cannot see it anymore. He was very wondered. Why? Because the kite flies over the trees, over the streets, over the houses. But until he can't see, he cannot see it anymore. So he was very surprised, wondering, I think the kite is happy in the sky, says Ruhan. Yes, children, see this one. This is very nice lesson. Ruhan is a fun-loving boy. He loves to go out and play every day. He plays hide and seek, catch the ball, and cricket with his friends. These are the games of Ruhan's. Ruhan is playing these games. Okay, playing in the park is very fun. Because in the park, so many friends you have to meet. He gets to meet all his friends. So, he always like to go to park to play. Ruhan also loves to fly kites. Ruhan also loves to fly kites. He has a rainbow kite. He has one rainbow kite. It is made of colorful papers. The kite has a long tail. Then it looks like an aeroplane. Okay, you will also do this, like you take some papers, colorful papers, then you can make this like one rainbow kite. Then apply the tail. Okay, apply the tail, take one thread, then apply it, take it outside to play. Okay, see here, the kite has a long tail. It looks like an aeroplane. The tail sways. It means the tail moves slowly from side to side when the kite flies. Ruhan loves his kite very much. Okay. Next, Ruhan goes to the park with his father. On that time, it is a windy day. On that day was very windy. The kite sways with the wind, but the kite gets stuck on the treetop. If the kite is stuck on a treetop, Ruhan tugs. Ruhan pulled hard the string to free the kite, but the kite does not move. Ruhan is sad. Father sees this one. Why was the Ruhan sad? His father know that on that time father thinks he can reach the kite using a ladder. He brought one ladder. Then he climbed up the tree. with the help of ladder. He reaches for the kite and suddenly the string breaks and the kite flies away. Okay? When his father thought that, his father brought one ladder. Why? Because he can reach the kite using a ladder. So, he fetches a ladder. It means he climbed up the tree with the help of ladder. He reaches for the kite. Suddenly, the string breaks and the kite flies away. Next, see here. Ruhan and his father watched the kite fly away. The kite was very high, flies very high. The kite flies very high. This much of the kite flies over the trees, over the streets, over the houses. Ruhan waves to the kite until he cannot see it anymore. I think the kite is happy in the sky, says Ruhan. Yes, children, in your friends. You also go with your friends in the park, other outside open area. Then you have to make one rainbow kite with the help of your parents. Then using some colorful papers. Okay? Ruhan's cat like you have to make one kite, made it, then take it to the ground. Then you have to play. Okay? Let it to be fly. You have to let the kite to fly. Okay? You will get enjoy. You will get the enjoy. Okay, children? This is the rainbow kite. Rainbow kite. Which game do you like most? Indoor or outdoor game? The games will be very helpful to our health. Okay? Health is wealth. Okay, children? Today we have studied about the rainbow kite. See here, children. I will read this much questions. These are the yes or no. The first one is Ruhan loves to play outside. Yes or no? Yes. Ruhan loves to play outside. The second one is Ruhan never meets his friends. Ruhan never meets his friends. No. Always he meets his friends. Always he likes to meet his friends. Third one, Ruhan's kite is black in color. Ruhan's cat is black in color? No. Ruhan's cat in many colors. This is also no. Fourth one, Ruhan's kite got stuck in a tree. Yes, see here. Ruhan's kite gets stuck on a tree top. Okay, yes. The last one is father thinks the kite is happy in the sky. No. Okay? Yes, children. Today this much of you have studied. Next. One more question is read each question and tick the correct answer. What does Ruhan love to do? 3 options they have given. Which one is correct? You have to choose it. Fly kites, play chess, stay indoor. Fly kites. Okay, tick this one. Second one, why is Ruhan sad? Because his kite tears, because his kite is stuck on a tree top, because his kite flies away. The second one is correct. Okay, tick the second one. Which sentence tells us that Rohan's kite is colorful? He has a rainbow kite. The kite has a long tail. The tail sways when the kite flies. That Rohan's kite is colorful. It means rainbow, because the rainbow is 7 colors. So he called rainbow kite. Okay children, today we have studied the lesson. Next period we will discuss about the grammar points. Okay children, take care, read the lesson 2 to 3 times and observe the videos also 2 to 3 times. On that time only you have to understand the lesson properly. Okay children, bye.